Good evening again. This is liveweatherblogs.com. City meteorologist Dean Davison with a radar update. Let's take a look. We're in the Roanoke Valley on the Roanoke radar, and we can see back here we have the cold front. It's sitting near Charleston, West Virginia at this time. It's slowly moving east. We're getting a lot of rain. Let's see, Roanoke, Lynchburg, Bluefield, Lewisburg, Beckley. And all this rain's moving to the east slowly, about 5 to 15 miles an hour roughly. And we're expecting that over the next couple of hours. Should clear out some time by mid-noon tomorrow, make cooler and drier air come into the area tomorrow. Um, Temperatures about 83 tomorrow instead of 93 and 100 degrees like we've been having the last few days here in the Roanoke Valley. Um, there's a few bigger storms going on. We're going to zoom in a little bit on this at this point. And we see heavy rain going on. This is Roanoke City, Roanoke County. Heavy rain coming through Cooper's Cove, Shady Grove, Stewartsville, Diamond Hill. All this is moving to the east. Now we have more storms back beyond Bent Mountain, which is an area that seems to get a lot of thunderstorm development. And even beyond that, we're looking at storms, pretty strong storms actually, back towards east of Mechanicsburg, and also up near Linside, Gold Bond, Pembroke. You're probably going to get some storms in the next 10 to 15 minutes. You see we have tracks on these storms. As I said, we have a storm southeast of Christiansburg. I'll put this in motion. And you can see we get the development near south of Bent Mountain. And moving that general direction. Storms have weakened a little bit as they move east. This can happen again. We also can go south here. We actually have severe weather going on in North Carolina. With a cell. Here we are. We had heavy winds reported at Skywarn, 55 mile an hour. And what happened is it moved east and they've issued a warning. It looks like it's on a weakening trend, so this warning should be allowed to expire. Also south of that, we have another severe thunderstorm warning. So we're getting severe thunderstorms mainly now in the more humid air of of North Carolina at this time, and less chances further north. Taking a look at a 6 to 10 day outlook, you can see we have definitely we're going to be having a high pressure ridge develop over the east again. High temperatures going to probably be up in the 90s and 100s again, up in New Jersey, Pennsylvania. A little bit less, a little further south, but still we're going to have some interesting. This is valid from July 15th to July 19th, and it was made today by the Climate Prediction Center. You see also we have maybe some cool trends coming on where we have 100-degree weather now up in the Portland, Oregon, and that area. So we're definitely going to see that, and above normal temperatures up in the northeast and mid-Atlantic, near normal temperatures down near Atlanta and Florida, below normal temperatures up in the far northwest. Now take a look at the Storm Prediction Center 2-day outlook. You can see severe weather. It's very probable now. Let's see, Lincoln, Nebraska, Minneapolis, Minnesota, Goodland, Kansas. Main threat, high winds, hail, and they're saying some supercells. We may have some supercells development going on in that area, and we have isolated chance again on the East Coast, Norfolk, Raleigh, Charleston, Atlanta. Let's see, up into New Jersey, Atlantic City, Providence, Rhode Island, Boston, Massachusetts. These are just areas that have an outside chance of severe weather, which will be mainly your high winds and your hail. Same kind of idea for your Sunday. As you see, you have your Omaha, Nebraska, Des Moines, Iowa. Let's see, you just go into St. Louis, Missouri, Kansas City, Kansas. Chances again, 15 probability, supercells possible, tornadoes, high winds and hail. And this is all going to go happening through the latter part of Sunday on the weekend here in the Midwest. Part of what I cover also is in North Carolina, South Carolina. We're going further south in South Carolina. We have a nice line of 3 thunderstorms. Florence, Irvington, east to Camden, you see 3 thunderstorm warnings lined up straight down. Also, we have some further back, so these are coming in waves and lines down to the south. And this is in South Carolina. At this point, we're going to go up one into North Carolina. So we have more also at that point in west of Wadesboro and south of Lexington. So severe thunderstorm warnings continue. Not severe up in Virginia, as you see Beckley, West Virginia. There's another line coming. That should be here about 1 a.m. This is Dean Davison with the update for LiveWeatherBlogs.com. Have a great night.